Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing legal spectrum and basic core hardware. This prevents shutdowns and wasted build time. Once licensed or cleared to use CBRS or private band, choose a software core like Open5GS or Free5GC and a compatible SDR or small commercial G Node B. Make sure your site has stable backhaul, fiber preferred, otherwise microwave with capacity above 10 Mbps. While ordering gear, map coverage and power. This gives you immediate next steps and avoids redesign when radios arrive. Once hardware is in place, deploy the core services and explain why each matters. Authentication keeps subscribers safe, the user plane routes traffic, and policy controls coalesce. Install Open5GS or Free5GC on a server and assign static IPs, then configure the RAN to talk to the core using S1 or N2 interfaces. Make sure to provision SIMs with correct IMSI and keys and set APN and CoS rules. After that, test attach and data sessions to validate core to radio connectivity and performance. Finish by validating end-to-end service. Run attach, voice, SMS, and data throughput tests while moving between cells to test handovers. Make sure monitoring and alerting are active so you can spot drops or congestion. Once live, register roaming or local interconnects as needed and enable SIM provisioning and OTA updates. If things go wrong, first isolate layers. Radio vs core vs backhaul. Use logs and packet captures to find failed SIP/diameter transactions or RRC setup failures. Then fix config or replace faulty hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.